So what's up everybody? Today we will see the retrieving landmarks and celebrity image custom model using computer vision. So what this does is it takes an input and identifies any special identity like a landmark, like we can say Burj Khalifa is a landmark, and other buildings like Eiffel Tower, Statue of So Unity, sorry. Then in celebrities we have many of them, right? So the image has already set it up its database in the Azure portal, and there are a number of uh, celebrities and landmarks in this world. So what's its job is to guess those and give us the output. So first, let's see the explanation of the code. So I have set up the code for you. So you can see some of the libraries being imported, right? Like this one, Azure Cognitive Services .vision .computer vision, right? So for this, we need to install these first. Okay. So let's see how it's done. So I have already told you how it's done, but now the time is to basically show you that how to create a cognitive service and then get it keys and endpoints. So for this, we will open up portal.azure.com. Okay, so portal. I will log in to my account. So you need to create a resource through this button. So here we will search cognitive service. Cognitive. Here we get cognitive services. Then we need to create. We only want to create a cognitive service, no other umbrella resource under it. So only a cognitive services, multifunctional, like multifunctional resource group. So only cognitive service. Set your subscription and create a new resource group. Let's say AI 102, and then we can choose the area. Mine is Central India, and I'm in Central India. So name of this would be AI 102 landmarks. This is tagged means it is available. I will acknowledge these and we will click on next identity. Skip that. Next tags. Let's come over here, skip this, review and create. And then the last thing is we just have to hit create. Now let's wait for some time to make this load. So the deployment is complete within 2-3 seconds. I will go to source. Then here I have to get the keys and endpoints. So under resource management, go under keys and endpoints. Copy one of them. I'll copy first. I will enter the subscription key right here, and the endpoint will be this. I'll copy and paste this. Now first some libraries needs to be installed. I already told you that in the previous video, but for revision, let's do it again. So first, as a reminder, you need to have a landmark image as we are referring it right here. And now let's download some. What? So you need to open up the terminal. I'm having some issues right now. Why am I not able to open? Okay, so I think this should have been here, or yes, right here. Terminal, new terminal. Now we will write this command right here. Pip install Azure Cognitive Services Vision Computer Vision. I'm not running anyway. Pause the video and enter this command. Press enter. So this module was already installed by me in the previous video as shown. So the playlist of those videos as a series will be given to you. I've already shown that how to download and done some practical with this computer vision stuff already. So if you are interested, click the link below. Then the second is pip install mrest. So this one is the command pip install mrest. So this is already installed. Then we need pip install Azure. Now let's wait for some time. This was already installed by us earlier many times, right? So now let me show you the landmark image. I've got this with a collision or coliseum, and this is the remote image link right here. I'll show this and open it in front of you. So this, okay, this should have came right. No problem. I'll show you anyway. The same image was there actually. So we will run this, run Python file in terminal. So coliseum is the output given. This surely is a coliseum as a landmark, right? Then the remote image 2 was referring here. There was the same image. The link of this code will be shared to you as a GitHub source. Then so hope you enjoy this video and learn something new. If yes, then please do subscribe our channel for keeping yourself more updated with these kind of tutorials. So with this said, take off.